Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 25th, 1918. Jesus plays with Luisa. I was saying to my sweet Jesus, my life, how cativa I am, but even though I am cativa, I know that you love me. And my beloved Jesus told me,
My little cativa, you surely are cativa. You have captivated my will. Had you captivated my love, my power, my wisdom, etc., you would have captivated part of me. But by captivating my will, you have captivated the whole substance of my being, which crowns all my qualities, and therefore you have taken the whole of me at once. This is why I often speak to you not only about my will, but of the living in my will, because since you have captivated it, I want you to know its qualities and the way how to live in my volition, so that you may live common and inseparable life together with me, and I may reveal to you the secrets of my will. Could you be more cativa?
and I, my Jesus, you are making fun of me. I want to tell you that I am really cativa, and to help me to become good. And Jesus.
Yes.
And he disappeared. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.